Hi there guys, Coach Perry here. Alam niyo ba sa dami ng sleep supplements ngayon, okay, pinadala na ko ni Sleepacil lang 10 capsules for free sample. Thank you, Sleepacil. Now let's go and have a read over about the tablet that I have received. Okay guys, alam niyo ba na ang Sleepacil has it has 4 main ingredients: melatonin, chamomile, valerian root, and of course, ang tinatawag natin lemon balm. Okay, ano-ano ba ito? Okay, by the way guys, Sleepacil is not a sedative, ha? Hindi siya sedative. Ibig sabihin, you can, it doesn't need prescription from the doctor para uminom ka nito. Okay, so pag-usapan natin ang Sleepacil. Okay, unang-una, guys, ang Sleepacil is number 1, okay? It has melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone in our body, okay, na pag ininom mo siya, ang natural, ang melatonin, it gives you comfort, it gives you yung ating circadian cycle na nare-remind tayo, sinisignal yung body natin to wake up and to sleep. Okay, so naturally yan. So, dinidim niya yung ating brain para mag-sleep o matulog ka na. So, it's natural. Okay? It's a hormonal supplement. Okay, number 2. Pag-usapan natin ang chamomile. Ang chamomile, guys, yun yung mga bulaklak na kulay puti na maliliit. It suits your stomach. It has a relaxing effect. It reduces, it heals the wound. It helps to heal the wound. And of course, it reduces anxiety and depression. Parang unti-unti, naturally, ay nare-relax na yung utak mo. Ang ganda, di ba? Okay, what else do we have? We have valerian root. Guys, valerian root may help with insomnia and anxiety and may help with hot flashes. Yung mga nagme-menopause o malapit ang menopause ay maganda to guys. Several small studies have shown that taking a valerian supplement or supplement that has valerian root reduce severity of hot flashes, improve sleep disturbances, and lower the effects of anxiety or depression. So, ang effect pa ng valerian dito sa Sleepacil is parang comfortable ka. Mawala yung hot flashes mo. So, ito, maganda rin to sa mga 50 years old and above, bedridden patients, at syempre yung mga nagpapagaling ng sakit o nagpapagaling ng sugat o bagong opera. Yan ang maganda kasi may chamomile. Ang chamomile naman kasi, nag-heal siya ng sugat. Yun yung effect na, alright? Okay, next we have the lemon balm. Okay, lemon balm may benefit mood, okay, cognitive function, stress levels by increasing calmness and reducing alertness under stress. Okay, ano na ba yung lemon balm? Yung lemon palang mix mo, sobrang nakaka-relax siya. Yun yung mga ginagamit sa hotel o sa mga yoga o sa mga relaxing clinic massage, yung lemon balm. Okay, what is lemon balm? Okay, pag-usapan natin. Okay, lemon balm also help with stress-related digestive properties. Guys, napapansin nyo, pag nakakamoy na kayo ng lemon, parang nagkakaroon ng positive energy yung pag-iisip natin. Nakakaiwas tayo mag-isip ng negative. Therefore, manarelax ka. Okay, yun yung effect ng lemon balm doon sa Sleepacil. Okay, it has a good properties that reduce parang stress. Yung stress level mo bumababa. That is lemon balm in Sleepacil. Okay, so ano pang hinihintay nyo? 16 years na sa market ang Sleepacil, guys, ha? Imagine. Don't forget to click the yellow basket. Stay beautiful. Okay, bawal lang po yan.
Wow!